Just thought I'd get the quick shot of the wind and rain. You can hear the sound, right? But here comes the very extreme winds right now. Just thought I'd get a video. Wow. Right here, I'm glad I'm under the awning. Some wall. Back below, you can see the rain. And I just heard that crash, but you guys see the camera's not capturing everything, but I just thought I'd get some few shots. But I'm quite from the inside today. Thank you again for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, share. Help get this video up to 200 likes, and I will see you soon. Thank you again for watching. Whoa. Here it comes down. We are falling.